Hey you guys, I hope everyone is doing well. SEK the Homesteader here with another harvest video, you guys. Alright, so you guys, this was another wonderful harvest. I was so happy to get all these jalapenos and the picones and the poblano. This batch of peppers this year did really well. So I hope that next year when I grow the poblano, they will get bigger. But overall, I think I had 2 of those plants in the wagon planter. And when I tell you, they went all out. And I think I have 2 plants of jalapenos in the wagon planter as well. And they just gave me lots and lots of jalapenos. And I think I had 1 plant in the raised bed area that gave me lots of jalapenos as well. So, and my video that I just did on how to overwinter your peppers, a lot of the peppers came off of, I think, 2 of my jalapeno plants. So again, wonderful harvest. Very pleased with my harvest this summer when it comes to peppers. I did have a good harvest with tomatoes, but not as much as I did last season. Well, last year's summer season, growing season. But overall, I was really happy. Now, the what they call these, the red bombs peppers, one of them did turn red that I plucked off earlier this week, and a few of them didn't. But it's something about the cooler climate that the bomb peppers like, because I see them really thriving now compared to when it was very hot. So there is still some on there. I possibly you guys got 1 more harvest, and then I think it's gonna be a wrap. But there's still a lot of jalapenos out there. There's still a lot of bomb peppers, red bomb peppers, and also the picones. But I can see I'm definitely at the end, so probably in another 2 weeks it'll be done. But I've been saying that for the last 4 weeks, so we'll see. And right now, you guys, in zone 8-8, we are still hitting like high 70s and low 80s right now. Our cold fronts is coming in at night, so that is definitely starting to slow things down. It's helping our brassicas, because we already know our brassicas love the cooler weather. So the brassicas in the yard is thriving. The carrots are thriving. My lettuce is thriving. So I'm hoping that I can get a really good harvest of lettuce until, you know, the frost come in. So that's my hope. But also, I know I got to get to my sweet potatoes, you guys. Essie got to get to her sweet potatoes and see if I did good this year in the new raised beds. But yeah, you guys, beautiful harvest. Very happy. I hope everyone is doing well. I am definitely getting ready for the canning season. I know a lot of us is or are, and I'm looking forward to definitely the canning season. So again, I hope everyone is doing well. This is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video, and thank you so much for supporting the channel. Peace.